Hello friends, welcome to our channel Shorthand Master. At the beginning of my every video, I request all of you that if you have not subscribed this channel yet, please click the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Your one subscription is very important for the growth of this channel, and also you will never miss any new shorthand dictation videos. Thank you. Today I will give you dictation number 49 at 60 words per minute. So be ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. We are having this budget today, which naturally has an impact on the economic policies and particularly on the budget proposals. It is agreed by everyone that resources should be found for the strengthening of our national defense as well as for the country's economic development. I think it is a right approach in the situation that national defense and economic development should go hand in hand. Indeed, we cannot have a strong, self reliant defense potential in the country either now or in the future or in any future at all without having a strong economic base, especially industrial base. Without a strong industrial base, you cannot have modern defense in the world today. Therefore, as a whole, it is a right approach, and I think we all should stick to this approach. Therefore, on that score, there is not any controversy whatsoever, but there is a ground for controversy when you come to the budget proposals. Para change. The tragedy of the present budget is that it heavily penalizes the nationalism of our people. It seems that those who have formulated the budget have taken into their heads that the legitimate sentiments of the people for strengthening the defense of the country as well as stand for strengthening the defense of the country could be exploited in a manner which is in large measure against the interests of the people as well as against the interests of the defense economy. I wish to make it very clear that defense has two sides, weapons and equipment on the one hand, and the human side as well as the labor power of the working people on the other hand. I think we cannot formulate a strong defense in conditions of discontent sorrow, and suffering. I think we will have to evolve a policy whereby the resources of the country could be mobilized simultaneously with the harnessing of the willing labor power, enthusiasm, and initiative of our working people. This approach will be the right approach for strengthening our national defense and country's economic development. Moreover, we should try to build up our own weapons and other equipments and should not buy them from any other country. Stop. Friends, if you really want to improve your shorthand speed, make sure to practice these phrases which I give at the end of my each dictation video. And also, if you want to practice more dictation videos like this, you can check out the playlist available on my channel. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe this channel for more useful shorthand dictation videos and advanced phrases. Thank you for watching this channel. Keep practicing. See you in the next dictation video. Bye.